The hot weather season means summer season. Due to apparent northward movement of the sun. Apparent northward movement means the movement of sun from Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer. The global heat belts shift northward. Along with the apparent movement of the sun, the global heat belt also shifts northward. As such, from March to May, it is hot weather season. In India, the influence of shifting of heat belt can be seen clearly from temperature recording during March to May at different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. In April, temperatures in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius, and in May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius is common in northwestern part of the country. In Peninsular India, temperature remains lower due to moderating influence of oceans. The summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of the country. During summer season, temperature is high. As a result, low pressure occurs in the northern part. Towards the end of the May, an elongated low pressure area develops in the region extending from the Thar Desert in the northwest India to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east and southeast. Circulation of air begins to set in around this trough. Trough means the zone of low pressure region from Thar to Chota Nagpur Plateau and Patna in the east and southeast. A striking feature of the hot weather season, summer season, is the loom. These are strong, gusty means very strong, hot, dry wind blowing during the day over the north and the northwestern India. Loo is a striking feature of the hot weather season. These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and the northwestern India. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening. Direct exposure to these winds may even prove to be fatal. Fatal means sudden death. Exposure to the loo affect our health. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in northern India. These storms bring temporary relief as they lower the temperature and bring light rain and cool breeze. Some storms during the summer which occur during the summer season bring some relief as they lower the temperature. This is also the season for localized thunderstorm associated with violent wind, torrential downpours often accompanied by hail. In West Bengal, these storms are known as Kal Baisakhi. Such type of storms which occur in West Bengal are known as Kal Baisakhi. Towards the close of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. During the end of the summer season, light rainfall, or known as the pre-monsoon, occurs in Karnataka and Kerala. They help in the early ripening of mangoes and are often referred to as mango showers. These winds are very important for the mangoes, so they are also known as mango showers.